Hey, so we are working on a hat today. Well, specifically the back. My dog had chewed the snapback off of my husband's cap, so I decided to try to help him fix this so he can wear it again. I ended up just cutting it off. I don't know why. They definitely sell replacement snapbacks on the internet, like on Amazon. I didn't want to buy new if I don't have to though. So I went to the thrift store. I found another hat that had a snapback that I could use. This is a close match. It's not perfect. And that's the other thing about buying new is that you can get exactly what you need, but I feel like it's close enough. This hat was $3.99, which is still cheaper than what I could find online. So I decided to go that route. I'm gonna take out these stitches so I can remove this piece. You'll see on the inside, this plastic that I had cut off, it looks like this, so I need to take this out. I need to open this up anyway so that I could replace it with this. I want to be able to take this out, so I think my first step is going to be to unstitch this part on both sides and then also do the same to this. Here, I hope that angle works. I'm trying to get an angle of like what it would be like if you were next to me. So I'm trying to preserve this thread because I like the color. So I'm just picking it out painfully slowly, like that, in a hope to dislodge this piece here. Okay, we've got it out. And it looks like or maybe we keep this here as our template for how to sew it back in. All right, got the other side. That one, I think I broke a lot more thread in that one. Let's see how much I was able to preserve. And someone's gonna say this is probably not a good idea. But if I feel like I have to reinforce it, I will. All right. Oops. Putting that aside and then taking our new one. This one should go a lot faster because I don't care about preserving this thread. Did someone say you're supposed to use it this way? That must be when you can open the seam. Oh, it goes across the top here too. Well, actually, I don't know if this would have come in, these holes here from being sewn into the hat. I don't know if that would have been there if I were to use the new ones. I don't know. So how does this go? This goes on the, like that. So it'll eventually look very soon look like that. Not bad, right? Okay, so I've gone this far, this half of the strap on, and then I'm working on this side. I'm almost done. I just know my hand is gonna be cramping because I'm having trouble pulling the needle through. I went to the kitchen and I got this jar opener, hoping it could help get a grip. I don't know. Does someone have a tip on how to pull a needle through? I've resorted to wiggling. Wiggling so far has been the best thing. And still, even that's not a great solution. So yeah, so far I've been just sewing through back and forth with the thread. I did have enough thread, I have a little bit more too. With the thread that came with this hat. The hardest part so far has been once I've gone through it once, going back in and reinforcing the stitches. Going through the same holes is really hard because I can't see them. So I'm kind of guessing based on where these holes are, and then I have to kind of like feel for where the hole is in the plastic because I can't make another hole with this needle. But I'm almost done. Okay, I'm finally done. That took me way longer than I thought it was. It's nighttime now, although with daylight saving time ended, nighttime is like 4 o'clock. Anyways, so I finished and it fits. I did an actual fit. It fits my husband, so that was a success. So I admit that I made my own life hard multiple times because I had to preserve the thread as much as I could. Otherwise you could just rip it with a seam ripper. If you don't care about that thread, that would take you way shorter. If you didn't need to take this from another hat, that would have also saved you some time. So, but the end result I think was worth it. So here's what the inside looks like, and it's good as new. I hope that helps someone. Let me know if you have any tips on how to pull a sewing needle out of some really thick fabric, so if I have to do something similar, I will hopefully not end up with a hand cramp. Let me know if you have any other projects in mind, or I'll figure out some stuff around the house too. I'm just filming things as I do them, and I hope it helps somebody, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!